Hello, this is Andy, WMSOhio.com. Today I'm going to show you another little mower we have here. This is a 2000 Land Pride zero-turn lawnmower, Accu Z60 model. Mower runs and mows good, as it should, just under 1,000 hours. So for the hours in the year, operates as it should. I believe we have a few mowers right now for sale on our website, so check them out if anything's going to work for you. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call. We'll do the best we can to help you out with anything you need. Again, this is Andy, WMSOhio.com, showing you a 2000 Land Pride Accu Z zero-turn mower.